Why doesn't pyron underscore string evaluate bool literals? I need to evaluate a Python expression from C++. This code seems to work. Unfortunately, it fails horribly if expression is true or false, that is, val is 0 and pyr underscore occurred returns true. What am I doing wrong? Shouldn't they evaluate to py underscore true and py underscore false respectively?
If you want true and false, they will have to be in the global stick passed to the interpreter. You might be able to fix that by calling pyeval underscore get built-ins from the Python 2.6 source code. If that doesn't work, you could try to pyron underscore string import underscore built-in underscores underscore built-ins underscore globals, locals, before calling pyron underscore string true, ... You might notice the Python interactive interpreter always runs code in the underscore main underscore module, which we haven't bothered to create here. I don't know whether you need to have a underscore main underscore module, except that there are a lot of scripts that contain if underscore name underscore equals underscore main underscore.